वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैं विकास। आज जिस टॉपिक के ऊपर हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं वो है पुलित्जर प्राइज, जो बहुत बार आया है कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में।
The Pulitzer Prize. It is a prestigious award recognizing achievements in journalism, literature, and music in the United States. It was established in 1917 by Joseph Pulitzer. Key details. Purpose. To recognize and celebrate excellence in American journalism, literature, and music. Origin. Established in 1917 by Joseph Pulitzer, a Hungarian-American newspaper publisher. Administration. Administered by Columbia University. Categories. Includes journalism, letters including fiction, history, biography, poetry, and drama, photography and music. Prize money. A cash prize of $15,000. Winner list of 2025. Journalism. 1. Public service. ProPublica. For urgent reporting by Kavita Surana, Lizzie Presser, Cassandra Jaramillo and Stacey Krenitz about pregnant women who died after doctors delayed urgently needed care for fear of violating vague, life of the mother, exceptions in states with strict abortion laws. Quote. 2. Breaking news reporting. Staff of the Washington Post, for urgent and illuminating coverage of the July 13 attempt to assassinate then presidential candidate Donald Trump, including detailed storytelling and sharp analysis that couple traditional police reporting with audio and visual forensics. Quote. 3. Investigative, explanatory and national reporting. Staff of Reuters, for a boldly reported expose of lax regulation in the U.S. and abroad that makes fentanyl, one of the world's deadliest drugs, inexpensive and widely available to users in the United States. Quote. Azam Ahmad, Matthew Aikens, contributing writer, and Christina Goldbaum of the New York Times, for an authoritative examination of how the United States sowed the seeds of its own failure in Afghanistan, primarily by supporting murderous militia that drove civilians to the Taliban. Quote. Staff of the Wall Street Journal, for chronicling political and personal shifts of the richest person in the world, Elon Musk, including his turn to conservative politics, his use of legal and illegal drugs and his private conversations with Russian President Vladimir Putin. Quote. 4. Feature writing. Mark Warren, contributor, Esquire, for a sensitive portrait of a Baptist pastor and small-town mayor who died by suicide after his secret digital life was exposed by a right-wing news site. Quote. 5. Commentary. Mozab Abu Toha, contributor, The New Yorker, for essays on the physical and emotional carnage in Gaza that combine deep reporting with the intimacy of memoir to convey the Palestinian experience of more than a year and a half of war with Israel. Quote. 6. Criticism. Alexandra Lang, contributing writer, Bloomberg City Lab, for graceful and genre-expanding writing about public spaces for families, deftly using interviews, observations and analysis to consider the architectural components that allow children and communities to thrive. Quote. 7. Editorial writing. Raj Mankat, Sharon Steinman, Lisa Falkenberg and Leah Binkowitz of the Houston Chronicle, for a powerful series on dangerous train crossing that kept a rigorous focus on the people and communities at risk as the newspaper demanded urgent action. Quote. 8. Breaking news photography. Doug Mills of the New York Times, for a sequence of photos of the attempted assassination of then presidential candidate Donald Trump, including one image that captures a bullet whizzing through the air as he speaks. Quote. 9. Feature photography. Moises Saman, contributor, The New Yorker, for his haunting black and white images of Sadnaya prison in Syria that capture the traumatic legacy of Assad's torture chambers, forcing viewer to confront the raw horrors faced by prisoners and contemplate the scars on society. Books, drama, and music. 1. Fiction. James, by Percival Everett Doubleday. 2. Drama. Purpose, by Brandon Jacobs Jenkins. 3. History. Combahee, Harriet Tubman, The Combahee River Raid, and Black Freedom During the Civil War, by Eda L. Fields Black, Oxford University Press. 4. Biography. Every Living Thing, The Great and Deadly Race to Know All Life, by Jason Roberts, Random House. 5. Memoir or autobiography. Feeding Ghosts, a graphic memoir, by Tessa Hulse. 6. Poetry. New and Selected Poems, by Mary Howe. 7. General nonfiction. To the success of our hopeless cause, The Many Lives of the Soviet Dissident Movement, by Benjamin Nathans. 8. Music. Sky Islands, by Suzy Ibarra.